Hey kids, do you remember the story I read this week? Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. It's a book about patterns, car patterns, in fact. The little boy likes to keep his cars on a shelf in a specific pattern. Let's read the book together. It's called Beep, Beep, Vroom, Vroom. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. And here's our colors: blue, red, and yellow. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. There's Kevin and his sister. But I like cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with cars, said Kevin. Do you see that they've sorted the cars into color groups? We have the red group, the yellow group, and the blue group. They sort objects just like us. Kevin, Mom called, it's your turn to set the table. Aw, Mom, grumbled Kevin. He carefully lined up his cars on his shelf. Ooh, look at that. When I come back, Kevin told Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. Let's take a look at this pattern, kids. Molly needs to know this pattern. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. It's a pattern with 3 colors. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. So what we know is the pattern starts with red. After red is blue. And after blue is yellow. Then comes the red again. Red, blue, yellow. Molly waited until Kevin went downstairs. Then vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, went the blue cars. Oh dear, she's made a big mess with the cars. Dad heard lots of vrooming, crashing, and beeping. Beep, beep. Molly, Dad said, you know you shouldn't be playing with Kevin's cars unless you ask him. Let's put them back, right where you found them. Kevin always keeps them in a special way. Oops. Is this the right pattern? She put them back on the shelf with her dad. We have blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. That doesn't seem right. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. That looks like a different pattern to me. Let's go back and check. Here's the right pattern. Red, blue, yellow. I know what happened. In this pattern, 2 of the same color cars are sitting next to each other. 2 blue, 2 yellow, 2 red. That is not the same pattern. That pattern is different. She'll have to try again. Molly waited until Dad went downstairs. Then, crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. This time, Molly's mom heard the commotion. "Oh, Molly," Mom said, "you've made a big mess of Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back the way he lines them up?" Let's see here, kids. We have red, red, yellow, blue, blue. Yellow, red, red, yellow, blue, blue. This looks like a different pattern as well. Is this the way Kevin likes his cars lined up? No, let's go back and look. Kevin's pattern is red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. It's one red, one blue, one yellow. And with her mom, oh, Molly didn't do it right. We have two red, one yellow, two blue, one yellow, two red, one yellow, two blue, one yellow. That pattern is not the same. Not the same, it's different. Molly will have to try again. She waited until her mom went downstairs, then beep beep went the yellow cars. Vroom vroom went the red cars, and crash crash banged the blue cars. She sure does like those cars. Now Digger heard the beeping, vrooming and crashing. "Woof," said Digger, "woof woof." And Digger knocked down the cars with his tail. Another mess. "Molly," called Kevin from the kitchen, "you'd better not be playing with my cars. I'm coming downstairs right now." Molly put the cars back on the shelf as fast as she could. She could hear Kevin coming. Closer and closer, Molly looked at the cars. They didn't look quite right. She fixed them again quickly. Oh, will she get this pattern correct? Let's find out. When Kevin walked in the door, he found the cars just the way he left them. Let's check. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Gosh, that's it. Remember, one red, one blue, one yellow. One red, one blue, one yellow. That's the pattern. Molly did it just in time. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, bang the blue cars. Maybe someday you'll be old enough, too, to play with cars, said Kevin. Oh, she wants some cars, too. "Surprise, Molly," said Mom. She was standing in the doorway. "We were going to wait to give you these until you were old enough on your birthday, but we're going to give them to you now." Molly smiled at the shiny new cars. And look, her cars are in a pattern too. Green, purple, green, purple, green, purple. Her pattern has one green, then one purple, one green, then one purple. Then what did she do with them next? What do you think? Then beep, beep went the green cars. Vroom, vroom went the purple cars, and crash. She got her own cars now. And do you think she'll keep her cars in this special pattern? Green, purple, green, purple, green, purple. I think so. Thanks for learning along with me. If you'd like, you can practice patterns. There's pages for you to practice. Thank you.